How will AI impact the business world? In this video, we're diving deep into the incredible ways AI technology is transforming businesses. From streamlining operations to revolutionizing customer experiences. AI is reshaping the way we work, make decisions, and thrive in the digital age. So, let's explore the exciting world of AI and its impact on businesses. Imagine if you could automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing you to focus on more important activities. Well, that's where AI comes in. AI can handle those mundane tasks, freeing up your time and boosting operational efficiency. Let's take data entry as an example. Manually entering data into spreadsheets can be tedious and prone to errors. But with AI, you can automate this process, saving time and ensuring accuracy. AI systems can also help with scheduling, report generation, and document processing, making your work more efficient and error-free. In today's data-driven world, the ability to extract insights from vast amounts of data is crucial. AI algorithms have the power to analyze data quickly and provide valuable insights, enabling businesses to make informed decisions. Let's say you're running a retail business. AI can analyze customer purchase history, market trends, and competitor data to identify patterns and predict future trends. This allows you to optimize your product offerings, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns, staying ahead of the competition and meeting customer demands. Providing a personalized experience is key to building strong customer relationships. AI can help businesses understand their customers better and deliver tailored experiences that resonate with their needs and preferences. Have you ever interacted with a chatbot while browsing a website? That's AI in action. Chatbots can engage with customers, answer their questions, and provide assistance 24/7. By analyzing customer inquiries and providing relevant responses, AI-powered chatbots enhance customer satisfaction and support. What if you could predict future trends and make proactive decisions for your business? AI makes it possible. With predictive analytics, businesses can anticipate market changes and customer behavior, gaining a competitive edge. Let's consider a manufacturing company. By analyzing historical sales data, market trends, and external factors like weather patterns, AI can help predict future demand for their products. This allows them to adjust production levels, optimize inventory, and ensure they meet customer demands without excess stock or shortages. Do you find yourself spending too much time on repetitive tasks? AI can automate complex workflows and business processes, saving you time and resources. Managing inventory can be a challenge for businesses. AI systems can analyze historical sales data, current inventory levels, and market trends to optimize inventory management. By ensuring the right products are stocked at the right time, businesses can reduce costs and improve efficiency. With the increasing threat of cyber attacks, businesses need robust cybersecurity measures. AI can help identify and respond to potential threats, ensuring the protection of sensitive data. AI algorithms continuously monitor network traffic and system logs, looking for suspicious activities or patterns. By detecting and responding to potential threats in real time, AI-based cybersecurity systems enhance the security of businesses, safeguarding their assets and reputation. Marketing is all about reaching the right audience with the right message. AI can analyze customer data and preferences to create targeted marketing campaigns that yield better results. Have you ever received personalized product recommendations from an online store? AI algorithms analyze your purchase history, browsing behavior, and preferences to suggest products you're likely to be interested in. This not only enhances the customer experience but also drives sales and customer loyalty. Making informed decisions is crucial for business success. AI can provide valuable insights and recommendations, helping leaders make data-driven decisions. Let's say you're a financial planner. AI algorithms can analyze market trends, economic indicators, and customer financial data to provide recommendations for investment strategies and financial planning. This empowers you to make well-informed decisions and optimize your clients' financial portfolios. From enhancing efficiency and providing valuable insights to personalizing customer experiences and supporting decision-making, AI is revolutionizing the business world. By leveraging AI technology, businesses can gain a competitive edge, improve operations, and drive innovation. We've only scratched the surface of the immense impact AI has on businesses. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting possibilities. So, stay tuned as we explore further into the world of AI and its transformative effects on the business landscape. If you found this video informative and engaging, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the future of AI in the business world.